today I'm going to do an unboxing video from Diamond Art Club of Alice, one of the new diamond painting pictures that came out about 2 weekends ago. This is a round. It is 20 by 24. So let's get into this unboxing. So when you unbox your diamond painting from Diamond Art Club, you will get a toolkit and your canvas and drills. So let's set this to the side. And in the toolkit, if you've never seen one of these before, you get 2 waxes. So your 2 hearts, they always come in heart shape. 2 heart waxes, your stylus grip, a stylus with a 1 diamond painting tip, a 4 diamond painting tip. If you've never seen one of these before, you just put it on the end of your diamond painting pen, put wax in there like so, and then you can pick up 4 drills instead of 1. And your clear, Diamond Art Club always comes with clear diamond trays. And then baggies. Some people use the baggies to diamond paint with, or some people use them like I do. Afterwards, I store my extra drills in them. And it looks like they started giving you more of enough to put all your drills in instead of in the past. I used to get some that just had like maybe 10 of them. But it looks like they might give you now a whole bunch of them. So save these baggies and you can use them for leftovers. Or some people kit up. If you don't know what the word kit up means, it's where people, how they diamond paint, some use the bags. I use little boxes. And I'll pour my drills out of the bags into the boxes and use them like that. So let's get into this beautiful kit. This is by a newer artist. She does have maybe 1 or 2 more out from Diamond Art Club, but this is either her 3rd or 2nd one. I know there's a Tangled one, and I know Tangled's out, but I'm not sure if she has another one besides the Tangled one or not. But so let's get into these drills. So when you get your kit, your drills are actually in the middle of the canvas. And you also get your little piece of paper that gives you your step-and-step instructions if you need that. It also has a code in there for 10% off. However, if you want to click my link below and use your email, and if you're a first-time purchaser, you may get, I think it's like 15% off. Here you also get your inventory sheet. So you get a sticker. I'm missing another sticker. Usually there's 2 stickers. I'll have to ask about that sticker. I do not see the 2nd sticker. Usually there's 2 stickers in here. I'll have to check my box. But usually it comes with a small sticker that kind of has the details on it. And then it comes with the inventory sheet that has your stickers that you can use on your bags or your boxes. Tells you if some people use this for their journaling. If you want to use that for your journaling, it has your start date, the artist, name, and your information down there. And then let's get into these drills. Alright, so we have these drills. So it's not too many. This one does have 51 colors, so a pretty decent amount of colors. A very range. So you have your yellows, your tans, your skin tone colors, I would say, your browns, your bluish green, some reds. Again, some more skin tone colors. Ooh, look at this pretty greenish blue color. 3847. It's a pretty bluish green color. Is that pretty? 1 bag of 310. So out of all this, a lot of diamond paintings have black. This is the only bag you have of black. Look how little that is. If you're an experienced diamond painter, you know how little that is. And then another skin tone color. Like I said, I'm pretty sure this has 4 ABs, which I'm not seeing quite yet, so we can't wait to find out which ABs those are. So you have yellow, more skin tone color, brown, oh, AB alert. So here's an AB. We have orange AB 1331, So see how that has the extra coating on it to make it AB? We have reddish, pink, yellow, oh, another AB. We have like a red color, 103, and then another red, tan, pink, brown. Now see, some of these are really small. Like, look how small of an amount you get. So that tells me there's not going to be a lot of those. Got some pretty blues and greens. So that was 2 ABs in that one. So the other 2 must be in this row. So, oh, nope, actually, we have another row. Oh, look at this color, 3808. This is a pretty bluish green color. Again, that's a pretty color. You got your dark navy blue. Oh, we got 2 dark navy blues. So this color can be tricky sometimes because it gets close to 310, even though this is a navy blue and not a black. Then you got more 8310s. So 2 bags of 823. And some more flesh tone colors. Oh, alright, here's the last 2 AB. Oh my goodness. Wait, I must have missed an AB. I saw 103, 129. There's a yellow AB. So I missed a yellow AB. Let's see if we can find that. Oh, here it is. I missed the yellow AB. There's the yellow AB. And then the last one is, of course, your white AB. 141. 141 in Diamond Art Club is white AB. And you got 2 bags of 597. And then look at this pretty greenish blue again. So many pretty green blues. So I'll put that off to the side. And then let's get into this canvas. Oh my gosh, guys. So this is a poured glue canvas. The back is like a soft canvas. As you can see, my table has some dirt on it from my goods. You can, a lot of times, unroll it this way. You can roll it backwards to make it flatter, but let's look at this painting. Oh my gosh, she is really gorgeous. I don't know if you can see her all the way. She has the little crown on. So all the ABs are 1 through 4. So if you look, there's white ABs in her hair. The necklace is AB. You have, again, white ABs all through her hair. Let's see. 2s are AB, so that's through her hair a little bit. Not too many of 2s, but there's a few 2s here. Let's see, we have 3. So it looks like they might be mainly all through her hair. So her hair looks like the most you will get in the confetti. Otherwise, a lot of this is blocking. Oh, here's some 4s. So 4s are also in these little bubble-looking things over here. Pretty butterfly. So 3s, I did not find 3s. 1s, 2s, and 4s I found. But I do not see 3s yet. Does not mean they're not there. It's just I'm doing a quick glance over. They're probably in her hair, I would say, since they're more of the yellow color. Or in her necklace. There's 2s again. So even right here, all right here, there's 4s and 2s. So right close to each other is going to be ABs. So I'm sure there's some 3s somewhere. So I'm just not seeing 3. Here's 1s. Then, oh, this is a new symbol. I've never seen this symbol before. That's a new symbol. So, again, I'm not seeing the... Oh, 3s. Oh, her eyes are 3s. Ooh, I wonder how that's going to look. So her eyes, her color of the eyes are going to have AB in it. That's neat. And then let's see what 310. 310 is 5. So they used a lot of numbers for this one. 1 through 9, actually. Which they missed 6. So 7, 8, and 9 is actually... 6, 7, 8, which is weird, but if you don't use that, you won't know what they mean. But her eyes are going to have the ABs. Now look how clear that drill field is. And her little crown. And it does have the 2 symbols, so I'll show you what I was meaning by here. So you have your numbers, if I can get it to focus. There it goes. So 1 through 9, which is actually a different number if you use that. But you have your... colors. Now this is the one, oh, there's a couple, they're using some new symbols I haven't seen before. It looks like a teepee. That's what, like a tent, a teepee tent. This one's new, the 33, where it looks like a line segment. Then you have some other ones that look great, but you can see how clear it is, and isn't it gorgeous? I can't wait to start her. So you have a lot of color blocking up here. Up here's a lot of color blocking, a lot of confetti right in here, color blocking. Her hair is just all confetti, I would say that. Has a lot of confetti. Now, not like a lot of little confetti, but like color blocking confetti, I would say. And then, again, around herself is more the color blocking and then confetti. So this is a good mixture of color blocking and confetti. If you'd like to look at it, I'll link the link below. Thanks for watching my unboxing video and have a great day.